In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok AI network error, Fast Fix 2026. If you're seeing a network error when you try to chat with Grok, don't worry, this walkthrough will take you from the quickest checks to the most reliable fixes, so you can get back to your conversation fast. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Grok website. If you use Grok inside the X app, open that instead. Once you're there, consider signing into your account. It isn't strictly required for troubleshooting, but being signed in helps preserve your chat history and can refresh your session in the background, which sometimes clears temporary issues. On the homepage, make sure you're actually in the Grok AI chat interface. Then try sending a simple prompt to confirm the error appears. If it does, begin with a quick checklist. Verify your internet is stable, refresh the page or fully close and reopen the app or browser, and make sure the X app is up to date. These fast steps resolve most transient glitches. If the error persists, dig into basic connectivity fixes. Test your connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one network is more stable. Completely close the X app or your browser, swipe it away or quit it, then relaunch. On mobile, toggling airplane mode on for a few seconds and then off can reset radio connections and clear minor network hiccups. Next, try app and browser cleanups. On desktop, clear your browser's cached images and files to remove stale data that might block requests. On mobile, go to your device's app settings, find the X app, open storage, and clear its cache. Avoid clearing data unless you're comfortable re-signing in. While you're at it, update the X app to the latest version from your app store, since recent builds often patch connection bugs. If possible, switch devices or browsers. Moving from mobile to desktop, or from one browser to another, helps isolate whether the problem is device-specific. Now confirm your account and the service status. Log out of your X account and log back in to refresh your session tokens. Then check for wider issues by visiting a service outage tracker like Down Detector or looking for official updates from the XAI team on X. If there's an outage, the best fix is to wait until service is restored. Common causes include temporary server downtime, VPN or proxy interference, and expired sessions. If you use a VPN or proxy, try turning it off briefly. If nothing works and no outage is reported, give it a little time and try again. That's it. Quick, safe, and effective.